Have you ever wondered why some people linger in our minds long after they're gone? Why some connections feel more intense and harder to forget? In today's video, we're diving into the psychology behind making someone miss you. Specifically, how to make a woman think about you even when you're not around. This isn't about manipulation. It's about understanding human psychology and the art of leaving a lasting impression. Let's get into it. Section 1. The psychological triggers of longing. Missing someone isn't just an emotional experience. It's a psychological response. When we're away from someone, our brains can idealize them, amplifying positive memories and creating a sense of longing. This is known as the Zeigarnik Effect, the tendency to remember unfinished or interrupted tasks more vividly. By strategically creating moments of mystery and leaving some things unsaid, you can trigger this effect, making her think about you more often. Section 2. The scarcity principle, less is more. Psychologists have long studied the concept of scarcity, the idea that we value things more when they're less available. To make a woman miss you, don't be overly accessible. Instead, create moments of absence. Pull back slightly in conversations, take longer to respond, or be less available for a hangout. This doesn't mean ignoring her. It means creating a sense of rarity. People are naturally drawn to what they feel they might lose or what feels exclusive. Section 3. The power of anchoring memories. To leave a lasting impact, focus on creating memorable experiences. Our brains are wired to hold on to emotionally charged memories more strongly than neutral ones. This could mean sharing a profound conversation, planning a unique date, or even gifting her something small but meaningful. The key is to create an anchor, a memory that she'll replay in her mind long after you're gone. Section 4. The role of uncertainty. Uncertainty can heighten emotions, making someone think about you more intensely. Studies in psychology show that when people are uncertain about how someone feels about them, they tend to think about that person more frequently. To utilize this, don't lay all your cards on the table. Leave some things open to interpretation. For example, compliment her genuinely, but don't overdo it. Let her wonder what you're really feeling. Section 5. Focus on self-improvement. While it may sound counterintuitive, one of the best ways to make someone miss you is by focusing on yourself. When you're thriving, pursuing your passions, and working on self-improvement, you become more intriguing and attractive. This naturally creates a sense of mystery and makes her wonder what you're up to when you're not around. Conclusion. Ultimately, making someone miss you isn't about playing games. It's about understanding the psychology of connection and using it to your advantage. By being slightly elusive, creating powerful memories, and leaving some things unsaid, you can linger in someone's mind long after you're gone. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to Mind Mist for more deep dives into the fascinating world of psychology. Until next time, keep your mind sharp and your heart open.